Brain cancer is one of the scariest things that could ever happen to you. And it's likelier than you might think. For example, Cancer.net reports that brain cancer and other nervous system cancers are the 10th leading cause of death for both men and women. But the earlier you can detect brain cancer, the better your odds of fighting it are. What are those warning signs, though? Keep reading to discover the warning signs of brain cancer. A few of these are sure to surprise you. 1. Vision loss. The location of the brain tumor can greatly affect what the warning signs are. For example, it's possible that the brain tumor is located close to your optic nerve. If that happens, and if the tumor is large enough, it can cause issues such as double vision, floating shapes in your vision, and other abnormal vision issues. Basically, if you have vision problems and there is no other explanation, a brain tumor may be the issue. 2. Headaches. Everyone suffers from headaches from time to time. But if your headaches are getting worse and becoming very intense, it may be due to a brain tumor. This is because the tumor may be putting pressure on different nerves and blood vessels within your body. Between this and the tumor potentially constrict fluid flow in your brain. 3. Memory problems. Have you been experiencing problems with your memory lately? Believe it or not, brain cancer may be to blame. When a tumor is located in the frontal lobes or temporal lobes of your brain, it can affect the parts of your brain that control memory. This may manifest as temporary confusion, concentration issues, and difficulty processing information. In some cases, these symptoms may be confused with something else, such as dementia. Some of the warning signs of brain cancer are a bit more obvious than others. And one of the biggest warning signs of all is that you suffer from seizures. 4. Trouble moving. Have you been feeling clumsier lately? Maybe you're missing the occasional step or even falling down? You may be tempted to chalk this up to simply getting older, but a brain tumor may secretly be to blame. The reason is simple: different parts of your brain affect your different motor functions. Depending on the location of the brain tumor, this can affect everything from your movement to your sense of balance. 5. Fatigue. If you've been feeling fatigued lately, there are a number of possible reasons. You could be stressed, depressed, or just plain overworked. However, brain cancer can also cause you to feel fatigued. As with some of the other symptoms on this list, you should be wary of this as a brain cancer symptom if there is no other explanation for your fatigue.